Check out this 2007 Honda Pilot XL if you are looking for an automobile with great features. Look no further. Enjoy these notable features: fuel type, regular unleaded, coil rear spring, rear air conditioning with separate controls, compass, total number of speakers, 7, instrumentation, low fuel level, and machined aluminum rims. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.